taonga pui pui aki, ko tae mai ki te kura o Haeata.
It's overwhelming to see things written in their own handwriting, to see books that she won. There's a copy of The Hobbit, and yeah, it's just the biggest taonga, the biggest gift that you could possibly give a school.
Ko ngā pūranga me ngā pukapuka kura o tēnei kaituhi no Ngāi Tahu, a Keri Hulme, ko tā koha atu ki te kura o Haeata. Koinei te wāhi I tū ai tōna kura tuarua o mua a Aranui High School.
I came across the school bag and delved into it, and it was a treasure. It was a real treasure trove. Even then, it's like this belongs somewhere. It needs to be kept. So I did think of Aranui, and when I googled it and said Aranui is no longer, and I'm like, oh, that's really sad. What am I going to do with it? So her third form and fourth form, her essay books, some of the teachers' comments, very appropriate use of Māori words, Keri.
And she was surprised.
And she was surprised, yes. So.
I ōna wā, I whakaputaina e Hulme ngā toikapu me tētahi pukapuka, ara ko the Bone People. I toa I te tohu, the Booker Prize, I te tau 1988, ara koia te kaituhi anake no Aotearoa ki te whiwhi I te tohu nui.
And just the prolific amount of writing that she did, which I had no idea. So we've got tens and tens of books that she has contributed work to.
Her passion was books, even at primary school. You'd be allowed to take home 2 or 3 for the holidays, and the headmaster at the primary school, Fred Price, knew Keri liked books. So for the week before the holidays, she was allowed to take home as many books as she could carry.
E ai ki te tumoaki, a Peggy Burrows, e hikaka ana ngā tauira ki te ako I ngā āhuatanga o Keri Hulme.
Because it's of real significance and value, we'll probably put it into our archive, and we're going to work with the University of Canterbury, with the English department, to make sure that it's a repository, that it's kept safe. For example, there is her Form 6 biology folder. So those sorts of things will be put under glass.
I didn't know Keri Hulme before this, but once I did get to know about her, I'd really aspire to be as resilient as her. As she came from Aranui, went to Aranui, and she still made it. So she pretty much paved the way for Aranui ki te ao.
Ka whakatūria e te kura tētahi wāhi tongarewa, hei whakaatu I ngā tutukitanga, ngā mahi o mua mai ngā tauira, me ngā mahi o Keri Hulme hoki. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.